Hi there and welcome to today's strategy video. We're going to be discussing the major cap strategy that we use here. Now a lot of you might be thinking, well, what does major cap mean? Major cap is essentially just another term that we use for intraday trades. So a lot of you will be aware about intraday trading and day trading, and I'm sure many of you would have tried it because it's a fantastic way to make daily profits in the Forex market, which is obviously very different to other types of markets where you might even need to wait weekly or monthly or even annually for your profits. So with day trading, we're going to be showing you exactly how we not only provide the entries here, but also provide you with very good strategies that you can use around a full-time job. Because that is the major thing with trading. It's all about being able to trade around your full-time job and make a secondary income from doing so. So firstly, I'm going to take you to our members area, which is actually where the trading analysis is provided. Then I'm going to be taking you to our trading algorithm, where daily trading entry points are provided every single day, and that's where our major cap strategy comes into play. So firstly, I'm going to take you to the members area. Now the members area, as we can see, scroll on down, we've got a really nice sort of fundamental view at the beginning of the day. We've then got all of our daily chart analysis for our technical views of each major currency pair. We've then got our daily trading levels, which is actually our major cap levels, which I'm going to explain in just a moment. We then have further fundamental view and individual currency analysis of each major currency pair. So it's a fantastic resource for anyone to use. Now we're going to scroll back to the top here, important trading zones of the day. You can see here we've got a little table at the bottom, and we've got currency pairs attached to the tables, and then we've got trading levels, the size of those. So essentially anywhere from 1 to 4 levels a day can be provided for each currency pair. What we then do with these specific levels is this is where the trading algorithm comes into play. We match these levels up to our daily buy and sell zones on our algorithm. So some of you who have watched these videos before may have already seen this. If you haven't, what our algorithm does is it provides daily sell and buy zones. So you can then therefore take entries at these zones based on certain analysis. What we do is we provide our clients those levels in the morning so they can match those levels to the zones on this particular chart. So you'll be able to see on certain zones they've actually got a bit of a label attached to them, and it will have the major cap label attached. You might be able to see if I get my crosshair and I bring my cursor across, you can see there's a major cap here. Major cap, major cap, major cap. You can see coming on all the way through. Okay. So what we see is with these major caps, they are a very high strike rate, number one, and very easy to trade because the levels don't change from the beginning of the day. So therefore all you have to do is place your orders in the morning with certain parameters set. So your stop losses and take profits for these trades are approximately around 20-25 pips. So if I show you a few examples, we can see here on Euro we had pretty much 3 in a row almost every other day. So we had one here on the 16th major cap. The trading level here was 1070 into the buy zone, and up it goes. I've just put this rectangle here to highlight the zones. Again, major cap here coming on through in this particular region. So with these Euro trades, it's really easy pips that would have been made here just with some simple orders. You're talking 25 pips easy, 25 pips easy, so just 50 pips there just in a few days. If we're coming across to a couple more major cap levels, we had also one on the Aussie dollar. The Aussie dollar level coming on through was 67.30, and that was very recent as well. Bear with me, that's just a daily chart that's come up there. So you can see we had this Aussie dollar level right into the major cap. It came about 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon and straight up again. Easy 25 pips again from the market. Then we had an NZD trade, which was on the 14th. That was on the 64.20. Oops, bear with me. Let me get my NZD chart up here. And that was this one just at the top, into the major cap zone. And again, up it goes in excess of 25 pips. So you can see there's some great examples there of just simply placing pending orders. And if you go to our strategies page on our website, which is platinumtradingacademy.com, you can see the potential amounts of pips that can be produced just from this one strategy. Anywhere up to 1,600 pips a year. You know, if you're talking about trading that at, let's just say, £10 a point, or even £5 a point, 8 to 16 grand of a very, very simple strategy. So with regards to these strategies, we're actually providing completely free access to be able to access the major cap strategy. And the way to do that is we go to Platinum Trading Academy's website, which looks like just like this. Go to your name, email, phone number, book your free consultation, and we'll actually do a free demonstration for you of the product so you can see it working live. Yeah, that's the wonderful thing about it. So in regards to the video, I hope you all enjoyed that and you got a good understanding of what the major cap strategy is all about. And we do look forward to hopefully hearing from you soon. Thank you.